Hey guys, it's Sunny and it's Cobian, and Abby&FinnCo recently sent us a box of diapers and wipes, and we just wanted to do a little unboxing video and show you our honest review of what we think about their diapers and their wipes. So this is a subscription box. You can get this whole box, which includes 3 big things of diapers and 4 boxes of wipes. So there's 52 diapers in each package. We have Cobian in size 4 right now. They do run a little small. He's 5 months old and weighs about 18 pounds. You can also buy just one of these packages for $15 or $55 for this entire bundle. All of their diapers are chemical free, nothing bad in them, really good ingredients, which is like huge for me when picking out diapers for a brand new baby, brand new skin, super important. So that's why I was really drawn to Abby and Finn. As far as the wipes go, I've actually never even tried the wipes yet. I love that there's only 4 ingredients in these wipes. I love that they're fragrance free, but they still smell so amazing just from all the natural ingredients in them. They have aloe in them, which is so cool because I'm super into aloe vera, so I just got really hyped about that. We've been using them for probably the past 2 months now, and he's never broken out. Seems like Cobian likes them as well. Cobian, do you like them? Yes. I'm all about these diapers.